Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, my channel. My name is Ronke. Hello, how you doing today? I hope everything is well with you. Today I'm doing this go-to makeup look, this one that is making me look like a baby girl, you know, very sultry, soft, you know, something that looks like you are a slice of bread that someone can just bite into, you know what I'm saying? There's something wrong with me, but no, seriously guys, let's just jump into the look. Hopefully it's simple and easy enough for you to follow. I always feel like when you first start off with makeup, you have to really figure out what products work for you. That's so important. You don't understand, like as soon as you master what products you like and what works for your face, it'll be easier for you to do makeup. A lot of times when you keep switching and switching and switching and you don't know what foundation you really like and all those things, it can be extremely hard to pick a foundation or a routine. The first thing I always do is I go with my Smashbox PHOTOFINISH primer. I use that on my face first to just create a very nice base for myself. So I just use a little bit. You don't want too much. A lot of people swear by Maybelline Baby Skin also. It's just a silicone based primer, and that's what this Smashbox primer is also, just a silicone based primer. And you guys have seen this in almost all of my tutorials. I always start off with color correcting, and you guys ask me like, what is this orange thing? So this orange thing is to cancel out all the dark circles, dark areas of your skin. With this corrector in particular, this is the MAC Peach Lustre Prep and Prime. I like it because it's not too orange. You want to make sure that the orange is to your skin tone. I'm just going to use a fluffy brush. This is the large blender by Stilazzi, and I'm going to use it to just blend everything in successfully. So yeah, so I'm going to move on to foundation. Foundation wise, I have one all-time favorite foundation that I always use, and that is the MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. This works for me all throughout instead of me having two different types of foundation for summer and winter. I always get very light during the winter, and it's such a drastic change for me sometimes that I don't even know my own foundation shade. I like to put it on my face first before I blend it out with a brush. I've noticed that this way it gives me the fullest coverage, so I'm going to just apply the foundation and then use my brush to blend. My all-time favorite brush to use for foundation, which I think you guys are going to like because this is relatively inexpensive, is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. But this is just $6, and I'm telling you, it blends out foundation so well. What I like to do with this brush especially is to dab. So instead of swiping like this, which can move your corrector around, I just basically go like this. So after I'm done with my foundation, I go in with my beauty blender, and I do this because I feel like the beauty blender just blends everything in, gives it like a soft finish, like, you know, like the foundation is well blended. So I actually used to use Fawn as my under eye concealer, but now I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. I feel like I really like it for just like that under eye that's a little bit highlighted but not too much. I put it on my chin just a little bit. Yeah, we're looking good now. You basically have to follow your face shape. My face, this bone right here, I usually like to stop my concealer like right there. So even before anything, I go in and I use my Mercier powder to set. You want to do this pretty quickly because you don't want the concealer to dry. This is my Benefit Cabral. This is what I've been using for my brows. And funny story is that it actually dried up because I left the cover off of it, and I put it in the microwave and heated it, and it's now all back to normal, which was I was really excited. But what I like to do is go in with the Anastasia brow set in brunette. So I don't know if you can tell the difference. So this is with the brow set, without the brow set. So you can tell that my brows are like a little more like brown. Use my Laura Mercier cheek color brush, and I like using this brush to just dust off the powder, all the powder. Done with liner. I'm gonna just spray my face first with the Mirame Rose Water and then with Fix Plus. I just really like to get the most hydration in to my makeup, especially with all that powder. So you can see, lashes makes the whole look, really. That's really what I feel like, that's why I like this look so much. So for my lips today, I'm going to use Chesnut lip liner, the ultimate favorite brown lip liner. I'm going to use my all-time favorite nude. Wow, I have a lot of nudes. If you want me to do a video on my top favorite nude lipsticks, comment down below. I can definitely do. So if you want to see how the 3 new shades that they literally just released today, if you want to see how they look, then go on my Instagram. I'm posting them at 7, and so I guess at 7 p.m. on my Instagram. Just go check it out. I'm using Fenty Glow, so everything just comes together. So the final steps are, wow, don't know the final steps on my makeup. Nope, my lash is itchy. Highlight and a little bit of blush. So before I put on highlight, I always spray my face again, just so that the highlight has like a nice base to stick to. Highlight I love using is this Dose of Colors Mirame highlight. I just feel like it's the perfect color for me, and it is from the Desi and Katie collection. Last but not least, I use my Ambering Rose blush. This is the softest, most beautiful blush that you can ever have because it is a very satin blush. It's not matte. Like every time I'm going out or I'm just going somewhere and I just want something very soft, very neutral, this is what I do. So this is really it. I mean, what do you guys think about this natural? I keep saying natural because, like, seriously, makeup is never really that natural. So I'm excited to show you guys more videos that are coming this week, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye.